Eulogy by the Honorable Danilo Ramon Dan S. Fernandez, former representative of the 1st Legislative District of Laguna in the 14th, 15th, 16th, 18th Congresses, and as representative of the Lone District of Santa Rosa City in the 19th Congress.
Good morning. Good morning, Speaker. Good morning, families. We mourn the loss of a dear friend, a trusted colleague, and a remarkable human being. His presence brightened every room, and his warm touch all who knew him. From the first day we crossed paths, Romy showed us what it means to bring passion, integrity, and kindness to everything we do. He was more than a co-worker. He was a mentor, a confidant, and a steadfast friend who stood by us with quiet strength and a generous heart. In times of challenge, he offered calm, wisdom, and a steady hand. In times of celebration, he stood with us, sharing our joys and lifting our spirits. His humor, his generosity, and his unwavering loyalty will be missed beyond words. We are grateful for the time we shared, the late brainstorms, the thoughtful notes, the encouragement, and the countless small acts that showed us how deeply he cared. His memory will continue to inspire us to strive for excellence, to be kinder, and to support one another with the same grace he showed every day. Hindi ko malilimutan yung si Romy, especially yung kanyang mga quick wit during long debates. A timely quip, a well-placed question, dahil minsan nagkakainitan, then papasok siya. The calm that followed. He showed us that leadership isn't just about the bold decisions, but about making the journey better for the people beside you. There was a moment in a critical hearing, I remember, when the room was so heavy, and then Romy quietly stepped in with a suggestion that redirected the conversation toward a practical and lawful solution. It wasn't flashy, but it was exactly the kind of leadership he practiced, steady, and always for the public good. Pero meron ako isang pagkakataon na pumitik yan at hindi ko makakalimutan yon. Nag-walk out yan sa hearing kasama si Congressman Acop. We have a lot of disagreement. We have a lot of tense debates. They walk away. They step away. Not stepping away from their duties or responsibilities, but to reflect and have a better alignment for the betterment of our public. Tanda-tanda ko yun dahil even Congressman Roy Loyola called me that night. Sabi niya sa akin, pare, nakausap ko si Romy, tawagan mo, galit na galit sa'yo. Naku pare, hindi ko pwede tawagan yan. Mapuputragis ako niyan, pare. Kaya mo, tatawagan ko din yan after a week. And true enough, after a week, I called him. Sabi ko, bro, pasensya ka na. Sorry. Sabi niya sa akin, putragis ka. Kailan ang hearing natin? Ayun yung mga moment, Bong, na hindi ko makakalimutan. We may have a independent approach on every different thing, but we converge on one objective and one goal. for the safety and order of our communities. Bro, ang tawagan namin yan eh. Bro, wala ka na. Putragis ka, hindi mo na kami. Pero, niwala ko yung mga taong nag-wish ng iyong kamatayan, hindi nila alam kung anong yung pinagdaanan, that even in our hearings, you suffered a lot. I still remember, Bong, di ba, that I told him, pare, mag-low carb ka, bawasan mo yung timbang mo, because 9 hours, 10 hours of hearings, andun siya, hindi siya umaalis, nakikipag-debate siya, nakikipag-interpellate siya, and he's contributing a lot, but he never left. Kaya, alam mo, pare, may you rest in peace, bro. And I hope that your family find comfort and strength and power in the legacy of love and friendship that you left behind. Yun lang. Maraming salamat po.